Join children, let us learn Chapter 5 Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Genetics is a branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variations in the organisms. Heredity, the phenomenon of inheritance or transmission of characters from parents to their offsprings, or from one generation to the next generation, is called heredity. Variation, the differences existing among the individuals of a species and also among the offsprings of the same species are termed as variation. Types. Variations are of two types: somatic and germinal variations. Somatic variations affect only the body cells of the organism and are non-heritable. Germinal variations. These variations affect the germ cells of the organisms and are inheritable. Humans knew that one of the causes of variation was hidden in sexual reproduction. These variations were naturally present in plants and animals. Example: artificial selection and domestication from ancestral wild cow. We have well-known Indian breeds, example Sahiwal cows. In Punjab, our ancestors knew about the inheritance of characters and variation, but they had very little idea about the scientific basis of these phenomena. Mendel's work on heredity. The first quantitative study of inheritance was carried out by Gregor Johann Mendel in Garden P. Pisum, Sativa. He took a quantitative approach to this problem because of his earlier training in mathematics and physics. He conducted the experiments and analyzed the data statistically to identify the general rules of heredity. Gregor Johann Mendel was born in a peasant family. Due to poverty, he became a monk in a monastery in Bonn, Austria. He studied natural science and mathematics at the University of Vienna. Later, he was the head of the monastery where he lived and worked till death. He conducted breeding experiments on pea plants over a period of 8 years. He published the bindings of his work in 1866 in the annual proceeding of Natural History Society of Bonn. Mendel was the first scientist to appreciate the probabilistic nature of inheritance and used probability reasoning in biological research. Thank you, students.